Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making Guyanese cheese straws. Guys, these are quick, easy, and super delicious. These are great weekend treats and these are my absolute favorite. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, I would encourage you to please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. Without further ado, let's jump right into this video. These are our ingredients. So first what I will do is add my grated cheddar cheese to a food processor. You guys can actually use whatever cheese you like except mozzarella. Alright, so we're going to add the butter and make sure they're at room temperature. And I'm going to pulse this. So I'm trying to feed it with one hand and hold the food processor with the other. Alright, so now what we'll do is stop the food processor here and scoop everything in the center. We want a really nice, creamy looking texture. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me get some more fat. That is what it actually looks like, but we're not done. So here I just added some garlic, pepper, a little bit of onion powder, and cayenne. I like mine spicy. You can omit the spice. That is just fine. I'll go ahead and pulse this. Okay, everything is coming together. Lovely. Then I add some mustard. I did pulse again, and then I go in with some of my flour. We'll mix everything here again. Then I remove the dough from the food processor here. Make sure to clean everything out as much as possible. And scoop everything out into a really nice clean bowl. So I'm not wasting anything. This is too good to waste. So here what we will do is add a little bit of flour at a time and mix. Again guys, the correct measurement will be in the description box. You follow this recipe and you're on your way to the most delicious, crunchy, cheesy cheese straws. All right. So I'll show you a trick that my pastry teacher taught. When the dough actually bounced back like that without any cracks, let me show you. So that is perfect now. Awesome. So here what I'm using is a piping bag. This is so much easier because you have to use the strength of both your hands. So your hands are going to get a good workout here. The piping bag with the thimble. Now you can use a thimble with any different shapes of your choice. I'm just using the regular thimble. Start it. And the length is up to you. You decide the length you want your cheese straw to be. Alright, that is perfect for me. I did bake for about 20 minutes in a 350 degrees oven. All right, I like mine's golden brown and very crunchy. Look at that, absolutely amazing. You see that crunch right there? So I do hope you guys try this recipe, and if you do, please let me know how yours turned out. So guys, after you bake this, make sure to rest, allow it to rest so it can actually form up. So you are on your way to an amazing Guyanese cheese straw. Thank you guys for spending the time with me today. Have a fabulous day. Bye-bye.